Hi students. Today I want to explain about the acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. Acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. In this first one is order of acidic strength of different compounds. I am taking here first HCl, which is the strongest one. Next one SO3H means sulfonic acid group containing compounds, and next carboxylic acid COOH, and next carbonic acid H2CO3. It is called as phenol, and this is methyl alcohol, and next water, and all alcohols, other alcohols except methyl alcohol, all the remaining alcohols. And next, this is alkyne, RC triple bond CH, alkyne. Next is ammonia, and next is alkane, and last one is hydrogen. Okay, this is the order of acidic strength. And here, in the remaining order, if you are taking, if the reverse order is taken, reverse order means if you remove one hydrogen atom, we will get the conjugate basis. The relative basic strength also I can give, the relative basic strength, or we can say this is as conjugate base strength. In first year you studied that conjugate acid base theory, Brown-Shedd-Lowry's conjugate acid base theory. If HCl is losing one proton, it gives Cl minus. So HCl and Cl minus, for example, here I am writing HCl is losing a proton, it converts into Cl minus. And if it is gaining a proton, suppose here H plus is added, then it will be converted to HCl. So the HCl and Cl minus are called as conjugate acid base pair. So it is acid, for example, it donates a proton and becomes conjugate base. So the conjugate acid base pair, this is called as conjugate acid base pair. And here HCl is a strong acid, we know. HCl is a strong acid because Ka values, it depends upon the Ka values, and it is a strong acid. So the strong acid conjugate base is always weak. The strong acid conjugate base is always weak. So here if you are taking relative basic strength, for example, and here suppose I am taking from alcohols and phenols only, we can take, this is a H2. If it is losing one proton, what happens? It is forming H minus. It is the strongest conjugate base. After releasing a proton, it forms R minus, alkyl ion, carbon ion, and after releasing a proton, it is forming NH2 minus. And after releasing a proton, alkynes gives RC triple bond C minus. And after releasing a proton, here alcohol, it is forming RO. Here I will write like RO minus. And after releasing a proton, it is forming OH minus. H2O will forms OH minus. So you please remember this relative basic strength, conjugate base strength order also. And from this you can clearly observe that hydroxide ion is less basic. Hydroxide ion is less basic than alkoxide ion. RO minus is alkoxide ion, which is formed after the release of a proton by alcohols. Okay, so this is the first order I gave is acidic strength order. Acidic strength order. So, which is a strong acid? Here, HCl is a strong acid. This is a strong acid, and here it is called as the weakest or weak. Okay, it is a weak acid, for example, if you are taking. And here the relative basic strength order, this is a weak base. It is a weak base, and hence here it is called as a strong base. So I am telling comparatively only. So in these, which is stronger, which is weaker means OH minus is weakly basic and H minus is strongly basic. Okay, so this is a relative basic strength order of these compounds. Okay, and next, how alcohols behaves as a basis. As we already gave that alcohol means, for example, ROH we are having, or we are having RCH2. Suppose RCH2OH. This is an alcohol. If this is dissociating, the alcohol dissociates to give RO minus and H plus. And this alcohol dissociates to give a proton and alkoxide ion. This is called as alkoxide ion. The alkoxide ion is formed. And here this is called as the dissociation constant, and Ka dissociation constant value is 10 power minus 16 nearly. So the Ka value or pKa is equal to 10 power 16. So Ka and pK are inversely related. It is you studied in the ionic equilibrium first year. pK is equal to minus log Ka, or we can write directly minus log Ka, or we can write log 1 by Ka. Whatever it may be, it is reciprocal of Ka, pKa. Okay, so when Ka values are more, what happens? If Ka value is higher, it becomes more acidic. More acidic. And if pK value is lower, then it becomes more acidic. So Ka and pKa are inversely proportional. When Ka value increases, acidic nature also increases. When pKa value decreases, then acidic nature increases. Okay, and here if you see RCH2OH, sorry, here it is forming RCH2 minus, it is an alkyl carbon ion formation. Alkyl carbon ion. If the alkyl carbon ion stability is more, then it becomes more acidic. Why? Means it releases into the carbon ion or dissociate into carbon ion easily, and it is forming, right, RCH2O minus. Okay, this is alkoxide ion, and this alkoxide ion stability is more, then the dissociation occurs more easily. And here alcohol is dissociating into alkoxide and H plus ion. More number of H plus ions if released, it is called as more acidic. Okay, the alkoxide ion stability, suppose any ion, suppose this is alkoxide ion RCH2O minus. Alkoxide ion having negative charge means it is already having lone pairs. If the stability of alkoxide ion is more, then it becomes more acidic. When this stability increases, suppose what is the group present adjacently? Here this is CH2R. CH2R group means it is called as a plus I group. Plus I groups, what they can do? Generally plus I groups can do donation of electrons. They donate the electrons to the oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative. So this is donating the electron, and so what happens? The electron density on the oxygen atom increases. So whenever we are requiring an alcohol which is more acidic, we need the dissociation is more easily occurring. When the dissociation occur more easily means if the formed alkoxide ion is becoming more stable. When this becomes more stable, here if it is having plus I groups, what happen? Already oxygen has a negative charge, and this is plus I group, it is also increasing the negative charge on the oxygen. Means somebody having a problem and you are telling some more problems to him. Your friend is having problems, for example, you are telling for more problems, some more problems or other problems to your friend. Then what happens? Your friend difficulties will not be removed. Suppose your friend is in difficulty or having a problem, he is trying to tell to you, but you are telling some other problem to your friend. Then what happens? Your friend will become more depressed or disappointed. Like that, here negative charge is present on the oxygen, and you are increasing the negative charge on the oxygen because of the plus effect. So it will not be stabilized. So generally any charged species will be stabilized when the charge is spreaded or distributed throughout the molecule. When the negative charge is present, if it is distributed throughout the molecule, then it becomes stable. If positive charge is present, for example, if positive charge is present, if it is distributed throughout the molecule, then it becomes stable. But here what is happening? the positive charge is increasing, sorry, negative charge is increasing on the same atom, so it becomes unstable. So what happens? Alcohol's acidic nature depends on stability of alkoxide. Alkoxide ion stability depends upon the groups present on the oxygen atom. Groups present on the oxygen atom. Here this is alkyl group. Whenever alkyl groups present, what happen? The stability decreases. Okay, so please remember this point. For example, this is a primary alcohol and I am taking secondary alcohol RCH R and here it is OH. After the release of a proton, what happens? It is converted to alkoxide ion. Again, if you see what happened, here there is one plus I group and this is another plus I group. Means we are having two plus I groups. Means their two are increasing the electron density on this carb oxygen atom. When the number of electron increasing on the oxygen atom, what happens? It is getting unstable or it becomes more unstable. Okay, whenever there is alkyl group, one alkyl group, it increases. If two alkyl groups are there, it increases largely the negative charge on the oxygen, so it becomes more unstable. Suppose if you are taking tertiary alkyl halide, tertiary alkoxide ion, if you are taking, means what happens? Here this is OH, tertiary alcohol. If this is giving a proton, then it becomes tertiary alkoxide ion. And now what happened? This is plus I group, this is plus I group, and this is also plus I group. Three plus I groups are present. When there is three plus I groups are present, what happened? More is the electron density on the same oxygen atom, then it becomes more unstable. Whenever alkoxide is becoming more unstable, the acidic nature is very less. Okay, so whenever we are taking primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol, simply you remember tertiary alcohols are always less acidic than secondary alcohols, are less acidic than primary alcohols. What happens? Why? Because means the tertiary alcohols are having more plus I groups. I will give here. Suppose here I am having a RCH2OH and I am having a RCH ROH and the third one is RCR and ROH. Okay, whenever this is releasing this H, so after the dissociation or after the removal of proton, what it is forming? RCH2O minus. And if this is dissociating or releasing a proton, it is forming RCHO minus and R. And if this is dissociated, it releases proton and forms a tertiary alkoxide ion. And in this one plus I group is present. This is a plus I group. And here there is a two plus I groups. These two are plus I groups. Here there is a three plus I groups. Three plus I groups. Then what they can do? They increase the electron density on the oxygen atom. Whenever they are increasing electron density on oxygen atom, then it becomes more unstable. So if you take the stability, here the stability I am giving, the stability here this is more stable than this and this is more stable. This is more stable than the third one. Okay, so which alcohol is more better means which is more stable alkoxide ion? This is, so more stable alkoxide ion forms a more acidic nature it has. So primary alcohol are having more acidic nature than secondary. Secondary has more acidic nature than tertiary. This is simple. And if you have any methyl alcohol, for example, if you have any methyl alcohol CH3OH, that is much more acidic. That is much more acidic than even the other primary alcohols. Okay, methyl alcohol is also primary alcohol, but with other alcohols, if you compare with other primary alcohol, methyl alcohol is more acidic than primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Suppose if you have CH2, OH, and here there is a fluorine atom, and here there is a CH, F, and F, and there is a OH group, and here C and OH and F and F and F is present. Here in these three, which is more acidic? In these three compounds, three alcohols, which is more acidic? See, in this, what is this F group? This is a minus I group. Minus I group. And here there is two minus I groups are present. And here three minus I groups are present. Okay, whenever there is a plus I groups, they decrease the stability of alkoxide ion. When there is a minus I group, what they can do? Suppose for example here it is releasing H plus ion, and then what happens? FCH2 O minus is formed. This is the alkoxide ion, and F is a minus I group. Minus I group means it withdraw electrons, and so what happens? The electrons withdrawn towards, or the electrons are moving towards fluorine atom. Whenever the electrons are moving towards fluorine atom, the electron density on the oxygen atom decreases. When the electron density on the same atom decreasing and it is spreading throughout the molecule, it becomes more stable. So here the electron density present on the oxygen of the alkoxide is decreasing because of the minus I group. If we are taking, it is having more minus I groups, and this is having more minus I groups, much more. Three fluorine atoms, three minus I groups are there. So whenever minus I groups are increasing, what happens? Here, the more acidic is the first one, sorry, the more acidic second, and second has less acidic than third one. Okay, so this is the order for the acidic nature. Okay, the highly acidic is which contains more minus I groups. Okay, whenever minus I groups are present, acidic nature increases. Plus I groups are present, acidic nature decreases. So simply you can write minus I groups increases acidic nature. Minus I groups increases acidic nature. Plus I groups decreases acidic nature of alcohols. That is simple and the best way to remember. Okay, always acidic nature is increased by minus I groups. Basic nature is decreased by plus I groups. In these two types of compounds, see first one, in these compounds, which one is having more acidic nature? Here observe these three compounds, tell me which one is more acidic in nature. Here this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain containing 4 carbons, 1 chloro, 1 butanol. 1 chloro, 1 butanol, this is 2 chloro, 1 butanol, 3 chloro, 1 butanol. In this first one is having a chlorine atom. What is this chlorine atom? We already said chlorine atom is a minus I group, and this is also minus I group here, and here it is a minus I group. Whenever the minus I group is near to the OH, what happens? It withdraw the electrons powerfully, and so the acidic nature is more here because of the minus I group. The electron movement is there, and here the electron withdrawing is there, but comparatively less. Here the electron withdrawing is very less because minus I group is away. So the acidic nature order, if you are taking, the first one is more acidic than second, second is more acidic than third. Next, in these three compounds, which is more acidic? Here this is C triple bond C, this is C double bond C, C single bond C. Here C triple bond C means what? Here sp. And here C double bond C means sp2. Here C single bond C means sp3. Whenever sp carbon is present, what happens? It is more electronegative. And this is less electronegative than sp. It is less electronegative than sp2. sp3 is less electronegative than sp2. sp2 less electronegative than sp. So what happens? Whenever more electronegativity is there, it has more minus psi power. And so this is more acidic and this is next one. Okay, this is the acidic nature of alcohols.